Hello, today we are at Marco Island. So this is day 3 of our little beach getaway, and we are at Marco Island. We are at a little place with a playground, and they have a building with restrooms here, and looks like a little snack bar with some umbrella tables that you can sit at. So we are going to go down here and put our things down and let Nadia play on the playground for a little bit before we head on to the beach. This is Tigertail Lagoon. They have some swings. There's mulch all down here below. Play area. This little rock climbing wall here. Lots of playthings, actually. This is really neat. They have slides. Oh, this is a steep one. Stairs. It looks like it used to have a shade cover, but it's not on right now.
It's not.
I bet it is. You took your shoes off, Goofy. Because they're flip-flops.
Can you hold me?
Oh, that's nice. Nadia's playing a little tune.
I think I know.
Kinds of picnic tables and grills that you can grill out some food. Wanted to walk up here. They have places for recycling and for trash to keep the place clean. I mean, so far we haven't been out to the beach yet, but I mean, this is really nice. There are no dogs allowed on the playground. So this play area is designed for children ages 5 to 12. Very nice. They have Tigertail Lagoon information. So we are here, and when you go out here, it's like a little inlet. So there's like some beach here, but you can walk across the waterway here, and there'll be more land, and then the ocean out here. So the Coastal Lagoon at Tigertail Beach. So that's what this is called. This is called a Coastal Lagoon, and then the Tigertail Beach is actually out here. So you have to walk across this little waterway in order to go to the actual beach. And this is the Tigertail through the time, so it kind of shows you of how the water has changed the area over the years. So 1952 and then to 2003. This is a tobacco-free beach.
This way or that way? I'm going this way.
Tobacco-free beach. There are no bicycles permitted on the beach. It's another thing you might need to know. And then some information about the different kinds of birds that you might be able to see out here. All right. They do have ramps. So one leading to the left and one leading to the right. So here's the Tigertail Beach Park over here. So more than a beach. They have shorebirds with 32 acres of habitats for nesting birds. Showers and restrooms. There are lots of different boardwalks that you can go to cross to go to the Gulf of Mexico. There's lagoons here, and we are here. So we are going to go either left or to the right here. We're going to go to the right and go see the Wildlife Viewing Center. And then there's going to be this little sandy area, which is just called the Coastal Lagoon here. So it has its own little ecosystem. And then if you walk across the water here or go around the longer way, here to the left, then you can go actually to the Tigertail Beach Park up there. And then this is called Sand Dollar Island, which has more wildlife habitats there. All right, so let's start walking away. My family's already left me, so I'm excited. This is our last beach day. So we went to Marco Island for a little bit yesterday and fished. I did catch a fish. I was the only one that caught a fish yesterday just by the bridge, but today we're actually going to the beach. All right, so over there's a little coastal beach that I've talked about. And then there is this little lookout. So we're gonna go up here to this lookout. They have a ramp that will take you a little ways up and then to the first little landing. And then you can take the stairs.
Okay, I see the beach, but it's not that clear.
Oh, okay. So you don't have to pay to look through these. Yeah, I can't see anything. It's all dark. We're gonna continue going up to the top. There's a tractor down there, so you can see. There's Brandon. He's like the only person on the entire beach, y'all. This is pretty fun. And I mean, way over there, there's some people walking around. Two people over here that are walking across the waterway. Like I said, you can walk across the waterway to go to where the real Tiger Beach is on across the way there. These people are choosing to walk around the longer way, so walking clear over to those buildings and then around back that way. And then these people are just walking across. They, as you can see, it's probably only to their waist or so as they're walking across to go to the beach there. Or you can just swim here. There is no waves on this little coastal inlet. And on the other side, we have Tigertail Beach. So it looks like Brandon's gonna start fishing over here. But this is beautiful.
I got a really good view. I can see like the water and the land.
And that's the little pathway that we walked to come over here. Now this little walk wasn't very far at all to come over to this lookout area. Let Brandon fish for a little bit over here at this coastal inlet, and then we'll make our way over to the other side for the beach.
I got him. No, look at this, look at it. I can see, I got a really good view of that.
Can't see Daddy.
Oh, we can.
Now you do have to pay for parking here at this beach. It's $8 for the day to park here. And we were actually kind of worried about the parking situation. We went to the South Access Beach for Marco Island and parking lots completely filled up. We could not find anywhere to park. And so we're like, all right, well, let's just go to the other side. We drove over here and we were able to find this parking lot. And the parking lot, it was full. It said additional parking. And so we're like, oh, yay. So we went to the additional parking and there was plenty of places to go. So we still, we paid our $8 to park and now we're here. And so on this coastal inlet, like I said, nobody here. Nobody on this coastal inlet. So we'll see how many people we find on the other side where the Tiger Beach really is.
I got him.
Oh yeah.
Got something, Owen.
Mom, there's fish in this little water.
Catfish, Owen.
Yay!
Oh, it's a little one.
Oh, it's a baby
A
catfish.
catfish.
Saltwater
Little
catfish.
baby catfish.
Saltwater
Let me
catfish.
get my
kind of.
You got me twice. He is very sharp.
He's gonna bury himself. Hi, little crab.
It's the big one.
Look at him go. Yeah, he has one big claw. He's walking sideways. Hello, Mr. Krabs.
Good one right there.
All right, Mr. Krabs, we will leave you alone.
Another one.
Now that we treaded through that water, we're on this little walkway here. And when it comes out, hopefully, we will see a beautiful Tigertail Beach. Welcome to Big Marco Pass. All right, so I'm out of breath because I've gone back and forth through that waterway twice now, and I've gone back and forth to the car, to the bathroom. We've forgotten stuff, so I've gone back and forth already a couple times, and I haven't even made it to the beach yet. So that's one thing to think about. The beach itself, after you go through that waterway, is far from the bathroom, so make sure you go before you have to cross it, because you do not want to be going back and forth a whole bunch of times like I just had to. But we forgot something on the picnic tables, so I had to go back and get it. Brandon went on with the kids, and now I have to go find wherever they are. There's Nadia. So what we're doing, we have these orange pans. Oh, that's a nice one, Nadia. And I'm just scooping up some sand and sifting through the sand here and then finding seashells. Here are some of the seashells that I have found. So they're pretty big. Seashells out here. And I found a little piece of a sand dollar. Some big shells. So it's really nice. The storms are brewing, Harry. In all seriousness, though, there was an alarm that just went off. It was super loud, like a horn. So I think the alarm was sounding to tell people that it is thundering and it might be lightning in the close vicinity. They tell people about the storm. So I can hear the thunder in the background there. We just came back across the waterway, the little lagoon. Now we're headed back towards the car. There was a little lookout tower that we climbed up. Time to start the drive home. From Marco Island, it's going to take us, airplane above, it's going to take us about 4 hours to drive back to Orlando. We had a fantastic time at the beach all weekend. We got a lot of sun, even though we kept applying sunscreen, but we're gonna be okay. And now it's your family time. Bye.